Installing the charging base. Find a level spot outside the house with a 110 power outlet nearby. The base needs to be level. Using several of the base lag screws and the Allen wrench, secure at least 4 corners down. You can finish adding these secure screws once you get everything lined up and you're ready to complete the install or add the garage. Plug the base into the charging plug. Note this lime green plug has a keyway or a slot and pin. It must be plugged in this way. This is for the correct power polarity. Do not reverse this. Plug the 110 plug into the house outlet. You can place the mower on the charger with the battery inserted while you install the remaining boundary wire. Unroll some slack wire from the boundary spool. Place it in the grooves of the base leading to the red pole. Make sure it's tucked in tightly. Strip off 1/4 or 3/8 inches of insulation. Twist and attach to the red post. This wire is the lead out to the yard, the direction the mower is going. When you've completed the boundary wire around the lawn, remove the mower from the base station. Now run the other end of the boundary wire through the grooves of the base and hook to the black gator clip. Once the base station is complete, spend some time dressing the cables, making sure they're tucked in tight and out of the way. We found it's best to add the garage once the mower has been run through all its testing and setup.